Do you want to know how you can log into your Foundation Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Foundation Payroll account. Go ahead and go to the search bar and then search for Foundation Payroll Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen and it will take you to the official login portal of Foundation Soft or e-access Foundation Soft payroll account. So what you need to do is write down your username in the first box. After you write down your username, go ahead and go to the second box over here and write down your password. After you write down your password, make sure to check your password by clicking on this button over here. Then you can click on sign in. This way you can successfully log in to your Foundation Payroll account. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link and it will help you to recover your password. So as you click it, it will take you to another page where you can write down your email address. Then you can reset it by sending a mail through Foundation Soft. Then you can log in to your account and reset it once again. So guys, this is how you log into your Foundation Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.